Well guys, I'm on my way to Makkovik. William and Jill went down yesterday morning. I had a seafarer's medical I had to do yesterday evening, so I'm going on down now. Jill went along with some other people, and I took this toboggan here this time because he's a bit heavier, but he's petitioned, so if it wastes any gas or anything, it's not going to get on any of the other gear. So I took this one. And I'm going on the outside here. I'm going to make a straight run right from Mulligan Point and then cut across to the trail. It's really nice out here. It's pretty smooth, so it should make some decent time. And I should get some good footage from Makkovik. Well, happy Good Friday, everyone. And that right there, that's like kind of tip of Mulligan Point. And what I'm on here, I think it's called Horse Island. And I actually butchered up a bearded seal out there one time. Me and Marty and Charles was there. And I'm going to swing on in around along on the other side of Mulligan, and then the trail's over on the other side there. I got to drop in, see somebody in here. Not much snow in the trails. Yeah, there's some fresh ptarmigan tracks there, and actually look, there's one right there. But today is Good Friday, so he's safe enough. No hunting today. And I was going to say too, I got my Good Friday salt salmon with me, and when I get to Makkovik, that's what I'm going to have for my late dinner, I guess. Just stopped here, have a little look on it. There's more than he here. Look, tracks intruder everywhere. So anyway, it's a Good Friday and a lucky Friday for you, my friend. Another ptarmigan right there. I think I've seen another one go over that way. Cabin right there, trail cabin. When I looked at my messages this morning before I left, the wife said the father-in-law wants to go on a trip, but you never said where. So I could think of 3 places that he might want to go: Hebron, Shippo, or Ghost Lake. I'm guessing one of those 3 places, but I guess I'll have to wait and see when he got mine once I get out there. So yeah. My vision is slowly getting worse. Freezing. Oh yeah, a bit better. Looks like the black bear's done some damage to this cabin there. And another 37 kilometers to Postville. She was getting kind of low, so I put a can of gas in her here now. I took 2 spare cans of gas with me. That should be plenty. Yeah, it's an overcast kind of day. It was snowing, it had a little bit of drizzle, freezing rain, it was sticking to the goggles, and yeah, really blowing hard to see in places too. But anyway, we'll just take our time. We'll get there. Must say, that can be a tricky place coming down through there during a blizzard. Yeah. Lots of boulders around here. That's where the big old smilts is too, up that way. But when you come out here, make sure you follow the poles. There's a lot of bad ice around here, so follow the poles. Don't go going off course nowhere. Well guys, that's Postville back there. Next stop, Makkovik. I was kind of thinking on the way along there, the father-in-law, I said he wanted to make a trip. I said either Hebron, Shippo, or Ghost Lake, but maybe even Makkovik too. There's a great spot there for partridge hunting. I wouldn't doubt you might want to go there as well. Yeah, Makkovik is just over right there. Yep, get over and get that salt salmon on. Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit nasty out there now, blowing and drifting. I'm not sure what time I left Northwest River this morning, but I think I was 6 hours and 20 minutes from Mulligan to Makkovik. Yeah, as soon as I got here, I put the salt salmon on. Had a big feed of salt salmon and potatoes. I was on the go pretty early, so I admit I had a nice long nap after. And the father-in-law wants to make a trip to Shippo. So there's a good spot, you know, for early hare hunting, partridge hunting. Might get a chance to do a bit of ice fishing, seal hunting. So I'm going to be offline for a few days, so stay tuned. There's going to be some real good videos coming. But I guess that's it for this one though, guys. I really appreciate y'all watching. Take care. All the best from the big land.